What if I told you that your dog, yes, your dog, could learn 8 impressive tricks without you spending a single dollar on a professional trainer? I'm talking sit, stay, shake, spin, play dead, roll over, touch, and even a dramatic finger gun moment that will break the internet. And here is the wild part. Science now confirms that dogs trained this way are actually happier, more obedient, and bond more deeply with their owners. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to walk you through every single one of these tricks, step by step, starting from the absolute basics, all the way to the ones that will make your friends stop scrolling and say, "Wait, how did you teach your dog that?" So stick around, because trick number 7 is the one everyone always asks me about, and I am saving the absolute best tip for the very end of this video. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. Before we dive in, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell so you never miss a dog training video. And if you have a dog at home, whether it is a tiny Chihuahua or a giant Great Dane, drop their name and breed in the comments below. I read every single one. Alright, let us get into it. Teaching your dog tricks is not just about showing off at the dog park. According to experts in 2026, trick training does 3 genuinely powerful things. 1, it strengthens your relationship. When you spend time training your dog, you increase your bond. It builds obedience and improves their behavior throughout the day. 2, it burns mental energy. For hyperactive dogs especially, tricks give them dedicated time to use their brain and body, which leads to less destructive behavior at home. You know, chewing your couch? Yeah, that goes down. 3, it teaches your dog patience. Dog training is all about repetition and reward. Over time, your dog learns how to wait, focus, and work for something. And that patience carries over into everyday life. Now here is the science that backs all of this up. Research published in Applied Animal Behavior Science, one of the top peer-reviewed journals in the field, found that dogs trained with positive reinforcement, meaning you reward the good stuff instead of punishing the bad, learn faster and form stronger bonds with their owners compared to any other method. And in 2026, positive reinforcement is the settled science. The American Kennel Club endorses it. The International Association of Animal Behavior Consultants, the IAABC, officially recognizes it as the ethical standard. The old alpha and dominance theory? That has been completely debunked. It is over. So every single trick in this video uses positive reinforcement. No yelling, no punishment, just treats, praise, and patience. Speaking of treats, here are your golden rules before we start. Rule number 1. Keep your training sessions short, 5 to 10 minutes maximum. Multiple short sessions throughout the day work far better than one long session. Dogs have limited attention spans, especially puppies. Rule number 2. Always end on a win. If your dog is struggling, go back to something they already know, let them succeed, and then end the session. You want your dog to walk away feeling good about training. Rule number 3. Use high-value treats for hard tricks and regular treats for ones they already know. Here is a 2026 pro tip: single ingredient, functional treats are everywhere right now, and for good reason. Freeze-dried liver, dehydrated salmon, small cubes of boiled chicken. These work incredibly well because the scent alone keeps your dog locked in. And for tricks that require your dog to hold a position, like spin or rollover, try using a squeeze tube filled with peanut butter or baby food. Keeps their head exactly where you need it, and they will think training is the best part of their day. Rule number 4. 1 command word per trick. Say it clearly, say it once. Use the same word every time, and make sure everyone in your household uses the same word too. Alright, let us get to the tricks. I am going in order from easiest to most impressive. Trick number 1, and the foundation of everything, is SIT. This is the most important command your dog will ever learn, because almost every other trick on this list builds off of it. Here is how you teach it. Step 1. Stand in front of your dog. Hold a treat close to their nose. They will instantly focus on it. Good. Step 2. Slowly move the treat upward and back, over their head. As their nose follows the treat up, their backside naturally lowers toward the ground. Step 3. The moment their bottom touches the floor, reward them immediately. Say yes, or use a clicker to mark the moment, then give the treat. Step 4. Repeat this a few times. Once they are doing it consistently with the treat lure, try with an empty hand and give the treat after they sit. Then start saying sit just before the movement. They will start connecting the word to the action. Training tip: keep your foot lightly on the leash so they cannot jump up. Give them just enough room to sit naturally. Most dogs get this within 1 or 2 short sessions. Some get it in minutes. This is the one you absolutely need before anything else. Trick number 2 is stay, and honestly, this one is a game changer for safety. A dog that knows how to stay will not bolt out your front door, will not jump on guests, and will not rush into traffic. It is practical and impressive. Here is how you do it. Once your dog is in a sit, hold your palm out flat toward them like a stop sign and say, stay. Take 1 small step backward. If they stay put, step back to them and reward them with a treat and big praise. Now here is the key: build it up slowly. Increase the distance by 1 step at a time. Increase the duration by a few seconds at a time. If your dog breaks the stay, no problem. That just means you move too fast. Go back to a shorter distance or shorter time. A helpful trick: silently sing the ABCs in your head to count the seconds. Work your way up the alphabet before you give the reward. Your dog will be staying for 20+ seconds before you know it. Quick 2026 distinction worth knowing. Many trainers now use wait for short pauses, like at the front door, and reserve stay for longer holds where you physically return to your dog. Using wait at the door and stay for distance adds a layer of communication your dog will pick up on surprisingly fast. Okay, now we are getting into crowd-pleasing territory. Trick number 3, shake, also called PAW. Here is the thing. Most dogs naturally love this one because they already use their paws to get your attention. Your dog needs to know sit first. Get them in a sit. Hold a treat in your closed fist and bring it down near their paw level. They will sniff it, try to get it with their mouth, and then, almost always, they will paw at your hand. The moment they paw at your hand, say yes. Open your hand and give the treat. Repeat. Once they are reliably pawing at your closed hand, start saying shake or PAW right before the action. Soon, they will extend their paw every time you say the word and hold your hand out. The next step is gently holding their paw for a real handshake motion. Reward that generously. Within a few sessions, you will have the most polite dog in the neighborhood. Trick number 4 is spin, and this one looks way more impressive than it is to teach. Hold a treat or your squeeze tube right at your dog's nose level. Then slowly move your hand in a big circular motion. Think of drawing a circle in the air at nose height. Your dog will follow it with their whole body. The moment they complete a full 360, mark it with yes and reward. Once they are following your hand consistently, say spin as you make the motion. Gradually reduce how big you make the hand movement until just a small circular gesture, or the word alone, triggers the spin. Bonus: you can teach clockwise versus counterclockwise spins with different commands. Spin for one direction, twirl for the other. Your dog will look like a little furry disco ball. Trick number 5 is down, and you need this one before you can teach roll over or play dead, so pay close attention. Start with your dog in a sit. Hold a treat at their nose, then slowly lower your hands straight down toward the floor between their front paws. Their head will follow, and their elbows will start to drop. Once their whole body is on the ground, say yes and reward. Do not reward if only their front half goes down, wait for the full down. Once they are doing it consistently, say down just before you lure them. Then gradually fade the lure. Keep your energy calm for this one. If you are excited and bouncy, your dog will match your energy and keep popping back up. Take a breath, slow your movements, and your dog will follow your lead. Trick number 6, roll over. This is where things start getting seriously impressive. Your dog must know down first. Get them in the down position. Hold a treat or your squeeze tube right next to your dog's nose. Then slowly arc your hand from their nose toward their shoulder, like you are drawing a half circle. They will start to roll onto their side trying to follow it. Once they are on their side, continue the arc all the way over their back until they complete the full roll. The second they make it all the way over, reward big. At first, reward every small step, just tilting onto their side, then rolling halfway, then the full roll. This is called shaping, and it is one of the most powerful training techniques recommended by certified trainers in 2026. You are rewarding progress, not just perfection. Once they have got the motion, say roll over as you start the gesture. Pretty soon, just saying the words will have your dog dramatically flopping to the floor. And here it is trick number 7. The one everyone wants. Play dead. You know the one. You point your finger like a gun, say bang, and your dog dramatically flops onto their side. This is the trick that breaks the internet. Every single time. Here is how it works, and your dog needs to know both down and roll over first. Get your dog in the down position. Hold a treat between your first 2 fingers, a few inches above their nose, and slowly move it toward their shoulder. Your dog will start to tip onto their side to follow the treat. The moment they are fully on their side and their head touches the floor, reward immediately. Then add the stay cue so they hold the position for a second or 2 before getting their treat. Now for the fun part. Once they are reliable, replace the treat hand gesture with a finger gun point. Say bang or play dead, and pair it with the hand signal. Over time, reduce the finger movement until just pointing at them, or the sound bang alone sends them flopping dramatically to the floor. And here is a 2026 bonus tip. This is the perfect trick to have running when you have an AI pet camera set up. Models like the Furbo or the newer PetCube have auto trick capture features that will clip and save the moment automatically. Instant content for your social media with 0 extra effort. Warning. This trick will make everyone in the room lose their minds. You have been warned. I said 8 tricks and I am giving you a bonus, because this one is secretly one of the most useful tricks in the entire list. It is called touch, and you are teaching your dog to boop their nose to your open palm on command. Hold your outstretched hand a few inches from their nose. Your dog's natural curiosity will make them lean in and sniff or touch it. The second their nose makes contact with your palm, say yes and reward. Repeat. Then add the word touch right before they make contact. Why is this useful? Because touch can redirect your dog's attention toward you in distracting situations, guide them through doorways, move them in a direction you want, and it makes them feel amazing because it is so easy to succeed at. It builds confidence fast, especially in puppies and shy dogs. Alright, I promised you the best tip at the end, and here it is. This is the thing most dog training videos do not tell you. The biggest mistake people make when training their dog is expecting too much from the dog, and not enough from themselves. Veteran animal trainer Bob Bailey, whose influence on modern training is still widely cited today, put it this way, paraphrasing, training often fails because people expect way too much of the animal and way too little of themselves. That connects directly to a concept that every certified trainer in 2026 talks about, the difference between lumping and splitting. Lumping means you ask for the whole behavior at once and get frustrated when the dog does not deliver. Splitting means you break the trick into the tiniest possible steps and reward each one. Every trick in this video uses splitting, and it works every time. Here is the science behind why. When a dog does something that earns a reward, their brain releases dopamine, the same feel-good chemical that fires in our own brains. Training literally makes your dog feel good. It makes them want to engage with you. That is why in 2026, positive reinforcement has completely replaced punishment-based training across the board. Veterinary behaviorists, certified trainers, the AKC, the IABC, the Humane Society, they all agree. Dogs trained with rewards learn faster, stay more obedient, and have fewer behavioral problems. So go into every training session like a game you both want to play, and you will be amazed how fast your dog catches on. So there you go. 8 easy tricks, plus a bonus, that you can start teaching your dog today. No expensive trainer, no complicated equipment, just you, your dog, a handful of freeze-dried treats, and 5 to 10 minutes a day. Remember the order. Sit, stay, shake, spin, down, roll over, play dead, touch. Build in that order and you will have a dog that can do things most people pay hundreds of dollars to teach. And one more thing, I have put together a full 4K slow motion breakdown of every hand signal from this video. It is linked in the description below. If you are a visual learner, or if your dog is struggling with any of these, that breakdown will make everything click instantly. Now here is what I want you to do. Drop a comment below telling me which trick your dog already knows, or which one you are going to start with today. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and helps more dog owners find videos like this one. And subscribe if you have not already. New dog training and care videos go up every week, and I would love to have you in the community. Go spend some time with your dog today. They are waiting for you. I will see you in the next one.